Indoor plants bring peace and calmness to a room. They help in clearing harmful toxins from the air. So why don't you bring them indoors? Hi, welcome to IKEA 101. Indoor plants are amazing to have at home and will make your place look unique. That's where beauty meets well-being. To get started, you can have easy to maintain plants such as philodendron, peace lily or snake plant. They thrive well indoors. You can also place them near a window like this or some place where you get enough sunlight. Indoor flowering plants such as chrysanthemum or orchids are a great way to spruce up your home. Orchids especially bloom several times a year and require very little watering. Always keep your plant pots in containers like this. It helps to hold excess water, avoid dripping, plus makes the plant look prettier. Plants help relieve stress, boost creativity and promote recovery. Go on and bring them home. See you next time. Bye.